Installing an elevator is more than lifting a cab. It's a precise engineering process that demands safety, accuracy, and teamwork at every stage. Stage 1: Site assessment and planning. The process begins with detailed site assessment and planning. Engineers evaluate the building structure, load capacity, traffic flow, and ensure full compliance with safety standards and local regulations. Stage 2: Shaft and machine room preparation. Next, the elevator shaft, pit, and machine room or machine room-less setup are prepared to exact specifications. Precision at this stage ensures smooth and safe installation. Stage 3: Guide rails and support installation. Guide rails and support systems are installed and carefully aligned. This step is critical for stability, smooth movement, and passenger comfort. Stage 4: Mechanical and electrical installation. Mechanical and electrical systems are then installed. This includes the elevator car, counterweights, traction system, control panels, wiring, and all essential safety devices. Stage 5: Testing and safety checks. Before operation, every system undergoes rigorous testing: load tests, speed checks, emergency systems, and braking mechanisms to ensure maximum safety and performance. Stage 6: Commissioning and first ride. Once certified, the elevator is commissioned and handed over with full documentation and user guidance. A properly installed elevator enhances safety, efficiency, and long-term reliability. In summary, precision today prevents problems tomorrow.